Now, on a highway, because you're going a higher speed, you don't have to turn the steering wheel as much. Why? Because the speed brings you over quicker. So it's a milder turn on the steering wheel. Okay? And see, there's that second one. So it just left. Now, see the yellow diamond?
Yeah.
See how the two arrows don't match?
Yeah.
So that merge lane just goes up the side. It's a really long one. But you see, there's the yellow on the bottom of the green. So that's an exit only lane. But it's all a merge lane. Now, back off just a little bit. Now remember, on a highway, for every 10 miles an hour, it's at least the length of a car. So you're going over 50, so I would have 6 lengths of a car here. There you go. Very good. Now you see how close all those cars are up there?
Yeah.
See all the mist from the tires?
Yeah.
It makes the visual more difficult. It looks like fog, but it's just the mist from the tires. Now we're going to get into our center lane. So you just look in your mirror from time to time. When you see an opening, look over your left shoulder. Go over gently. There you go. Good. Now we're out of the merge lane. You still have the need for speed lane on your left. So when you see a lot of merging going on, you want to be in the center lane. Now I'm going to move this up. So now you just have the mist. Now you see, this is why you should have your lights on. You see those cars up ahead don't. This last car does. So you can see their lights better in the mist. Now, say a car's in the fast lane and a car's in the slow lane. And they both want to come to the center. So you'll see them both coming to the center. The car from the fast lane, your left lane, has the right of way. The car in the slow lane has to wait. Very good. Nice speed. Nice position.